Fort Worth has something new designed to fight crime. It is a network of cameras that reads license plates, and it is already having a big impact. The system has led to hundreds of arrests for things like carjacking and even murder. But there's also a big question. Does it create a big brother who can follow your every move? Here's Scott Gordon.
Driving around the streets of Fort Worth, you might spot them hiding in plain sight. 63 solar-powered cameras that never blink, set up mostly in high crime areas, recording every license plate of every car that drives by.
Technology like this, it's a force multiplier. It helps us keep those communities safer by being there.
Fort Worth police are paying $2,000 a year for each camera, but they say it pays off with hundreds of arrests, including 2 for murder and 1 just recently for a violent robbery.
We had an individual that got carjacked at gunpoint, and we put his license plate of his carjacked vehicle into the flock hot list. Within 28 minutes, we got a hit on the plate, and we sent officers there, and they got that person in custody and recovered the car.
The license plate readers are in addition to about 500 remote-controlled police cameras already in place all over the city. This is the control room where police take in the live feeds. It's called the Real-Time Crime Center.
I think people legitimately have a concern. This is part of a slippery slope where we're slowly giving up bit by bit our privacy.
Dallas trial attorney Quentin Brogdon says public safety interests of having surveillance cameras everywhere have to be balanced with privacy rights.
We're giving up lots of privacy and lots of rights. And the question, and everybody's going to come out to a different analysis in this, is it worth it? Is my safety worth giving up these other rights?
It's the combination of great technology with very hard detective work.
Garrett Langley, who founded Flock Safety just 3 years ago and now has customers in more than 1,000 cities, says safeguards are in place. The information is deleted after 30 days, and officers need to input a reason they're researching a specific license plate. The data is not used for things like repos or immigration checks.
We can't sell it, we can't reuse it, we can't market it. It is simply there to solve crime.
Nobody wants us to be China. Nobody wants that. I don't want that. You don't want that. Nobody does. But at the same time, it's a great tool.
A high-tech tool for catching criminals, police say, with the needed checks and balances. In Fort Worth, Scott Gordon, NBC5.